The search is on. May gumpisa na yung submission para kinominasyon ka ng Most Outstanding Occupational Safety and Health Champions. Apinin niing 30th Gawad Kaligtasan at Kalusugan, apanimuna na ng Occupational Safety and Health o OSH Center ng Department of Labor and Employment o DOLE. Nasa naniti ang makapamyegalal kareng individual, establishmento o institusyon, karasking karelang programa di kiking safety and health needs na rin karelang talapagobra ng workplace at komunidad. Nasa na ni GKK aamuyutan din kumpanya agawang mas epektibo in karelang safety, health at environmental programs bang akwaing zero accident o illness kilubnaan ng lugal obra. Makanyan muna man ng isulong ing OSH innovations, improvements at initiatives karing micro-enterprises at informal sectors.
Okay, for the longest time, increasing number of those who would like to join the GKK because it's already an achievement for us kasi somehow this would measure na talagang tumataas yung awareness na natin with regards to safety and health. And when we talk of safety and health, siyempre prevention of illnesses and accidents in the workplace. So basically with that, bababa rin yung mga cases natin of accidents and illnesses. Kaya this, yung encouragement naman namin ay tuloy-tuloy for the companies to join the GKK.
Samantala, kayabe naman kareng karaniwang partira ng OSH program sa kailangan natin niya ing meto nga institusyon in prevention of accidents at industrial hygiene. Karaniwan naman kanyang hazard na malilari king workplace karan kanungking manufacturing. Agpangking Senior Labor and Employment Officer ng DOLE Region 3 ay Joseph Emmanuel Santos. Samantala, magaganap yung GKK balang kaduang banwa. Ngayon 2024, makabuklat ang nominasyon para karang eganaga ng private at locally registered companies, government agencies, ding individual may talagang antibang OSH personal na ng metong ang GKK nominated na kumpanya, micro-enterprises at agyang informal sector. At inya ining adwang level, regional at national. Para king regional level, makatanggap lang cash prize ding manyambut at tutuluking 10,000 hanggang 30,000 pesos. At yun naman king 100,000 pesos king national level, kabang iman yung king individual category, makatanggap yung 50,000 pesos. Balang nominado, dumalang king mabusising screening at validation process. Mapupusing pamananggap ng submission ng OSH king April 30, 2024. Para ka rin interesado i-fill out yamo in nomination form, magkipag-coordinate ka rin OSH REU office at isadya ring requirements. Para king karagdagang detalye, bisita mo king Facebook page ng Occupational Safety and Health Center.
So, ang Occupational Safety and Health Center po at ang DOLE Regional Office I would like to invite all enterprises and individuals na meron po kayong exemplary achievements or accomplishments regarding occupational safety and health to join us dito po sa 13th Gawad Kaligtasan at Kalusugan and show us, showcase your best practices pagdating po sa occupational safety and health, and we will be very, very glad to recognize all your achievements. So magkita-kita ko po tayo dito po sa 13th Gawad Kaligtasan at Kalusugan.
Ako, Ike Kain Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.